Apiga undadas means our birth, when we arrived on this earth. It's the actual delivery, birth of a child. And I had talked about my aunt, Julie Shingaby, and the advice that she gave to women who were expecting. One of the pieces of advice she gave them was to make sure that they moved around a lot and did their chores, were active. And I've heard of some of our Anishinaabe women that were out cutting, splitting wood, carrying wood, and even though they were close to delivering their child, she said, if you keep moving, you're not going to have a difficult delivery. You're going to have an easy delivery. And the other piece of advice she gave to those women, which I was laughing about, she told them not to scream out, not to cry out when it comes time for them to delivering their babies. She told them, remember, you didn't scream out and holler out when your baby was conceived. And then I went on to talk about what a gift a child is. It's the most wonderful gift that a person could ever have. And then I went on to add about something that I haven't talked a lot about, was vasectomies. I had a young man ask me whether he should go in to see a doctor and get a vasectomy. And I'm a firm believer in not messing with our body. We were put on earth this way, and to not make any changes. And I told him, if you were to do a vasectomy, that possibly think about the children that you may have in your future. You may have some children who are good dancers, good singers, or good leaders, have a lot to provide for our community. And by getting a vasectomy, you're stopping this from happening. So I don't encourage men to get vasectomies, just to think very carefully. Make wise decisions when it comes to being involved with women. Migo Minik.